A packed room at Scranton City Hall tonight as local and state officials, medical professionals, and Nay Aug area residents address City Council regarding a proposed amendment that would allow for an expansion of Geisinger Medical Center. Fox 56's Sam Durante attended that nearly 3.5-hour long meeting and joins us live in Scranton with more on what happened. Sam.
Aaron and Ann, just over an hour ago, myself and dozens of others left City Hall after a nearly 3.5-hour meeting. That meeting, of course, was to talk about a proposed ordinance that would allow Geisinger to expand upward. The hearing did allow for discussion on a zoning amendment that would allow Geisinger Community Medical Center in Scranton to create an expansion with a height limit of 100 feet, which many residents worried would result in a parking garage. Although local officials, nurses, doctors, and representatives of Geisinger say this zoning ordinance is crucial for Lackawanna and surrounding counties and will be crucial for what they call an emergency room crisis.
When you hear about the service lines, and especially trauma, OBGYN, NICU, cardiac, and emergency room, Geisinger has been a wonderful partner to us in terms of knowing that there is an unstable health system on Jefferson Avenue, and they have made steps to make sure that they have access for those patients. Those are vulnerable patients that do not have time to travel.
Many Hill Section residents agree that there is a need to improve emergency health care, although they feel they were left out of the conversation. They feel the decision was rushed, and they worry Geisinger won't uphold their promises or respect their neighborhood.
Our families live in our homes. I love the health care that I get from Geisinger. I'm very grateful I did not have to travel to New York to get cancer treatment. I'm also very grateful that I live in Scranton in a community where my parents can move and be comfortable and feel happy in their neighborhood.
Council members in favor felt the expansion would bring more hospital beds, citing that Geisinger has made promises on the record and has attended public meetings to hear the public's concerns. Council members who opposed the ordinance supported health care, but they felt this vote should not have been brought to them in the first place due to city procedure. They also felt that the neighborhood needs to have a seat at the voting table. Council did vote 3-2 in favor of passing the ordinance. Reporting live in the city of Scranton, I'm Sam Durante. Fox 56 News, first at 10.